That's the apartment complex over here, so it's a insurance bank over here. I was so past Emancipation Park.
Wow.
Over there says a hotel to go to.
Oh, yeah. I remember hearing about that one time in out here. That's where all the rich people them go down.
Really know them go AC one new hotel named AC Hotel.
Really?
And that's where the rich people them go.
Serious? Outside where me look custom. God is the greatest, man. Oh my God, look at that Wally jelly there on the tree.
Free coconut you have to buy it.
Any?
Did you have a coconut tree too, but it right now?
Really?
When them chop it down.
So what over your son name?
That's just one parking spot.
Oh,
Yeah.
no, the building not up in the soup.
Oh, the building. Wait. The apartment complex.
Is it?
Yes. Dorchester. Our restaurant right here, sir.
Okay.
Well, yeah.
So what other road your name? Still Mountain View?
No, this is Oxford Road.
Oh, this is what called like uptown.
On the borderline and a downtown neither. This is like the city, like in the city. We have all the business places.
Okay.
So this is a New Kingston.
Oh, so we're not near to Crossroad then?
Yeah. And this is near to where the bus is.
Happy. Oh.
It's the Emancipation here.
Oh, that's why your mom says she don't live too far from that Crossroad. Oh yeah, I see that on TV. Statue there. What do you mean Emancipation Park like the National Park? Really?
Yeah.
Wow. Thank you, cousin, for telling me. You can still show it to the kids there.